to this restaurant, okay, to have my favorite sandwich. And then as I was eating the sandwich, okay, I could feel like some stones inside the sandwich. Okay, so the normal thing is you call the waitress and you start complaining, okay, that there's something in the sandwich. But then after a little while, after I checked the meal, I noticed that there was a white thing inside, like a tooth. Okay, so then I asked my friend to check my tooth. Then they noticed that it's actually broken. So I went home. Okay, I went home and I slept with my terrible tooth. Okay, but then at this time it started being very sensitive. When I was drinking something, I could just feel that it was very, okay, not pain, but just sensitive. I booked myself in, okay, before I slept on there. They have an online booking kind of platform. So I booked myself in at 10. Okay. So I received a call from, I think the receptionist, I forget her name, but she called me early in the morning to tell me that my booking they're waiting for me at 10. Okay. So I came in at 10. And I saw, I don't remember his name, but the doctor was very good. Okay, they saw the problem and then they told me I needed a filling.
Caroline Imbega presented at our clinic with pain on the upper right side. On examination, we found a fractured tooth and a few fake teeth that had caries. Caries is what we refer to as decay. We had to take an X-ray to determine the extent of the cavities. On taking the X-ray, we discovered that one of the tooth head was root treated, but the root treatment was inadequate. Our treatment plan was to do cleaning, do the fillings, and retreatment.
These guys are very good because there was no pain. Usually with so many dentists, there's pain, either with the injection or just during the procedure, but there really wasn't pain at all, okay? It just took, even the time was not too long. Usually I expect like 1 hour or something, you know, just opening your mouth and being there. But it was 40 minutes, okay? It was 40 minutes. The dentist and the assistant are very good. I mean, they engage you while you're there with your mouth open, okay? And I love the experience because usually sometimes you just feel like a patient and you're there and they do their process and finish. But these guys engage you and they talk with you, and I loved it. I loved the experience. It was good. I would recommend Tender Care Dental to anybody who's searching for a dentist because the experience was good. Okay, I'm planning to bring my daughter because she's 9 and she has very many problems with her tooth. Okay, she would love it here.